Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my travel essentials. Now these are two kits that I've made, the skincare hair care mix, and I've used the Sol de Janeiro kit bags. I think that's another reason why I like to keep buying them. They just look perfect for traveling, fit in quite a lot of things. You kind of have to tuck it in and they look pretty cute as well. So first, let's start off with this purple kit. It's again like a mix of hair care, skincare, all. I just put in both of these in my suitcases. So first here we've got the Kerastase shampoo and conditioner duo. Now I was lucky enough to get my hands on these travel variants. They go out of stock pretty soon, so if you're able to get them right now, please do. These are perfect, no fuss shampoo conditioners, because while you're traveling you want something that'll cleanse your scalp as well as keep your hair glossy and shiny. And please don't skip on the conditioner, it's equally important. So I really like them and they're perfect for traveling. A little expensive but completely worth it. So these were the first things. Now we'll move on to the second part of my kit, and clearly you guys know the kit is from Sol de Janeiro and I had to have this Delicia Drench shower oil. It's beautiful. The only downside of this is it's very expensive. I do wish to buy the full size pretty soon, but yeah, it's perfect for traveling. The only problem is it's a little bulky, but if you want that luxurious shower feel, why not? Then we've got this face wash from Laneige. It's the hydrating face cleanser, really hydrating, perfect for winters. I mean, face wash is really basic and also it looks pretty cute. Then we've got the matching body butter. Now this is an actual body butter because it's pretty thick. It's their Delicia Drench one. I love it. The scent of this is also amazing. It's a little thick and it goes a really long way. So if you're into your winter holidays, this is the one that you need to go. Otherwise, even your Nivea body lotion works. Now this is all that I had in the first kit. Moving on to the next one. This has got quite a lot of stuff clearly because all of these are like mini versions, perfect for traveling. So the moment I open, the first thing that you see is the Dove deodorant. Now this is actually almost over while I am recording this, doing the voiceover. So I've bought the other Dove deodorant, but yeah, this is the one that was available at that point. It's the Beauty Finish regular one. I really like the lavender vanilla one that I've got this time. Very basic, essential underarm deodorant, and best part is it doesn't darken your underarms. Then we've got this cute little L'Occitane hand cream, perfect for traveling, super hydrating. Then we've got the sunscreen, which by the way is now in my purse just to be on the go, and I've added another mini sunscreen in this kit. This is the Laneige water sunscreen, beautiful sunscreen, high SPF, doesn't leave a white cast, super quick absorbing. Then I've got this sample Kerastase hair serum. I actually even got the bigger size one of this. I love it. It's so good. You just need one pump after shower and that's it. Then I have this Laneige blueberry lip balm. Again, pretty classic, simple. You can never go wrong with it. If you follow me, you know how many restocks I have done, especially the lip sleeping mask. For serum, I have here the L'Oreal's 5%. I think this is the brightening serum. So yeah, it's pretty good. I really like it. It doesn't tingle my skin. And the best part is it works. It's just that you have to use it continuously for like 2 to 3 months. Then we've got the Laneige Cream Skin Toner. Again, a beautiful product. I had been using different Tony Moly toners, even the Dew Imbalance Toner Mist, but I feel like the Laneige one wins. Then we've got the Laneige Sleeping Mask. This is like one of their newly launched sleeping masks. I have actually used the full size tub of this as well. It's pretty okay. I'd got it as a freebie, so I'm just including it into my travel essential because why not to use it up. One of my favorite Bond Repair, treatment is this Redican leave-in conditioner, which I actually use that as a leave-in mask and then wash it off. My favorite moisturizer for my skin is the Embryolisse Latte Creme. I've been using it. I've finished like 3 tubes of it and it's pretty expensive, but I love it. Then we've got a little perfume. This is the Miss Dior roll-on perfume. You guys know my love for roll-on perfumes for traveling and even touch-ups. So yeah, I got this one and I also have the J'adore one. So this pretty much completes like my skincare travel essentials, skincare hair care travel essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.